So in today's video, I'm going to teach you about demand. Now, I'm gonna guess. Your content looks good, your editing is clean, and you're explaining what you do clearly, and still nothing converts. No comments that matter, no inbound, no real traction. So today, I'm going to show you why. Using one of the most misunderstood scenes in movie history. One of my favorite movies all time. This scene from The Wolf of Wall Street. And if you've seen it before, you've probably missed the actual lesson in this scene. Because this scene is not necessarily about sales. It's about demand. So check this out.
You can sell anything. Sell me this fucking pen right here. You can sell anything, sell that.
Go ahead. Sell me that pen. Can I finish eating first? I need tonight.
Brad, show him how it's done. Boom. Sell me that pen. Watch. Go on.
Let me sell this fucking
All right, so most people think that this is like a test of persuasion, and it's not. This is a test of whether you understand the actual buyer. Watch what not to do.
Sell me this pen.
It's a amazing pen. For professionals.
Sell me this pen.
It's a nice pen. You can use the pen to write down thoughts from your life so you can remember.
Sell me this pen.
Well, this pen works, and I personally love this pen, and I think this pen...
So this is how most people create content. They list features, they explain benefits, they talk more, but if you notice something, there's no urgency, which means that there's no real reason to care right now. This is content without demand. And this is the entire lesson. He didn't sell the pen, he created a moment where the pen was necessary. That's demand. And this is where most creators and most business owners tend to get it wrong.
Do me a favor. Write your name down on that napkin for me.
I don't have a pen.
Exactly. Supply and demand, my friend.
You know what I'm saying? He's creating urgency.
So I'm gonna break it down in plain English so that we're all on the same page. When your content doesn't convert, it's usually because you're doing one of two things. You are explaining the offer before the audience understands or feels the problem, and you're educating without creating urgency. So in other words, you're selling pens to people that don't need one yet. Good content doesn't convince, it reveals the gap. And this is why branding matters. When your brand is clear, your content naturally creates demand. This way you don't have to push, you don't have to chase. Your audience sees themselves in the problem before you ever even mention the solution. That's what separates content that informs from content that converts. So think about this next time you create content. Let's call it the demand first content rule. Before you post, ask yourself, what moment of friction am I calling out, right? Confusion, delay, risk, missed opportunity. What's the cost of staying the same? Is it time? Is it money? Is it trust? Is it momentum? And what becomes obvious after this realization? You, without hard selling. If your content skips step 1, then step 3 never works. So let's do an assignment. Here's yours. Before your next post, don't ask, how do I explain this better? Ask, what moment in my client's life or situation would make this necessary? Also, if you want help building content that creates demand before you sell, I break this down step by step in my Skool community. So I'll leave the link somewhere in the bio or somewhere in the description. But even if you don't, stop trying to sell pens to people who don't need one yet. That's the learning lesson from this movie. So you already know the jazz. Like, comment, subscribe if you want more breakdowns like this, or leave a comment below of a movie or TV show that you want me to break down that directly relates to anything branding, sales, and marketing. And I'll see what I can do for you. Cheers.